call People versus James Holmes, 12 CR 1522. Appearances, please.
Your Honor, Karen Pearson, Jacob Edson, Andrew Steers, Richard Orman, and Carol Chambers on behalf of the people.
Deputy, if you please step back. You have a right to remain silent. If you make any statements that can be used against you, you have a right to be represented by an attorney. If you could not afford one amid statutory guidelines, I would appoint one to represent you at no cost to yourself. Any plea you make must be voluntary, not the result of any undue influence or coercion. Typically, you have a right to be advised of the charges. You have a right to be advised of the charges with a sequential number thereafter, and I will identify my filings or orders with a C. In that we've had some filings already. The initial case management order, which I've captioned C2, does list the orders and motions that have been filed thus far. What I'd like to do is just recap them, make sure I'm not missing anything. We've got the P1, which is the motion to seal the search warrant affidavit and orders and case file, which was filed by the people. It's a copy.
Judge, does the court, there is some difference between the proposed order by the defense and the actual rules?
Yes, I'm not adopting the defense order. I'm crafting my own, which will track 3.6 and 3.8.
And Judge, the court file has been sealed. May we distribute that particular order to you?
You may. We've got the D4, which was the objection to expanded media coverage and request for hearing. I did grant the request for expanded.
With regard to pleading 5, we're just asserting all of Mr. Holmes' constitutional rights, and this is just a notice of that. With regard to any scientific testing, I think that we're not really at that stage yet, but we are.
Thank you. That will be in recess.
All rise.